Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to fix blurry videos in CapCut. So let's get started. First of all, launch Open CapCut application. Go ahead and select a project or start a new project by tapping on edit icon at the bottom left. If you want to import an existing project, simply go ahead and select one of your projects. To create a new project, tap on New Project button at the top. Now select a video you would like to fix the blurriness on. Once you've selected the video, tap on Add at the bottom right. Select the Effects tab from the bottom of the screen once you get to the video preview. Now tap on Video Effects and then look for an effect called Sharpen. Now go ahead and tap on the Smart Sharpen option and apply the effect on your video by tapping on the tick mark at the top right. Soon after you add the Smart Sharpen effect, you can now apply the effect to all of your videos by dragging the little slider, take it all the way up to your video's last seconds, and simply export your video by tapping on the export icon at the top right. And you will be able to apply the sharpen effect on your video. That was one way to fix the blurriness on your video in CapCut. Another way to do so is while exporting your video, simply go ahead and tap on the pixel drop down at the top right and simply drag the resolution slider all the way up to the right, and also make sure to toggle on the button right next to Smart HDR, and finally tap on the export icon at the top right, and that will be able to fix your blurry videos and give it a sharpened effect. So that is how you can easily fix blurry video in CapCut. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.